Come on, let's go, let's go. So I'm looking for the price to get up into this area where I just drew the blue rectangle. If it gets up there, it could be $1,000 trade. 1,000, 1,200, 13, I don't know, somewhere around there. Come on, one more tick. All right, here we go. I'm out. All right, I just got into this trade a couple of minutes ago. I did not hit record quick enough. I'm in this with 60 contracts. My price I got in it was, I think it was $1.96, $1.96, $196 per contract times 60. It's about 12 grand. The investment's about 12 grand. I normally don't get into trades this late. You can clearly see by my atomic clock that it's Friday, April 12th, 2024, and it's 12:45. Market closes in 15 minutes, 14 minutes now. But this was a really nice setup, and it has the potential to just rip and be a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 trade, which is why I got in. Let me change this to 60 in case it does rip. I can get out real fast with a click of a mouse. And right now the green line, the 50 moving average, is going to cause me a little bit of, I don't know, I'll call it a delay. It's got to crawl over that moving average. If it doesn't crawl over this 50 and take off, I'm going to probably just grab a quick 2 grand, 2,500, 20, whatever it gives me, and call it a trade. The market closes in about 13 minutes. By the way, that's something really important. Get up in the morning, look at the charts and say, I'm going to take what the market gives me. With that said, I'm out. Okay. 5 minutes later, I'm back in. Now I'm in with 80 contracts because it bounced off of the 50 moving average, as you can see up there. And we are playing a little game of ping pong in between the 21 moving average and the 50. And I've got about a 15 cent stop on this trade's about $1,200. With 80 contracts, it's not exactly 1,200, as you can see. 1,230, 1,150. What's above that? 1,310. If it starts to go down, hold on a second. Ooh, look at that. If it starts to go down, I'll just punch out. But I'm looking for this, like I said, on the other trade that I took 10, 15, 20 minutes ago, whatever it was. I'm looking for this to just rip past that 50 moving average and give me a nice little end of day 8-minute paycheck, which is why I jumped back in with 80. So we shall be patient. Remember, we get paid for being patient. It could still run into that 50. You see the two previous price bars there. Could easily bounce off of those and start to go down. So I get out probably right around here. What I just have it on 1310, right around there. Come on, let's go, let's go. So I'm looking for the price to get up into this area where I just drew the blue rectangle. If it gets up there, it could be $1,000 trade. 1,000, 1,200, 13, I don't know, somewhere around there. And if that happens and we don't see a big jump, I'm going to bail because look at the time, 12:58 and 33 seconds. All right, if it jumps up into this blue area, I'm going to bail. We've only got about 45 seconds left, so I've got to make a decision. My decision is I'm getting out. I'm just telling you that right now. I'm getting out. Like to see 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 13. Gets up there, I'll just plug in. What is that? I'll plug in 1,090. $90 will cover my commissions. Put $1,000. Come on, one more tick. Oh, I just moved it. Why did I do that? Let me go back. Let me go back here. Let's go back up. All right, here we go. I'm out.